guys, so welcome back to my channel. This one is Meggie Moose Creations. So I'm a right kid. For my Meg and Jane's Adventures, I got bored and I got this slime kit for Christmas. So for Meg and Jane's Adventures channel, I just made these. It's insane. I am obsessed now. So we have, if you haven't realised, it is slime. You can probably tell by the name of this video, it is slime. And look, it's crazy. I am obsessed, and we are going to make 2 more lots of slime. We're gonna use like the white glue to make some colours. So as you can see, I've got pink. So we're gonna make green and blue. And honestly, it blows me away. I'm like such a child. Oh yeah, this is my tea. Very British thing. So I've got my airtight pots that I've taken from my mum's cupboard. Don't tell her. And I'm gonna get going. It's so exciting. So what we have to do is we take our white glue and we get 15 milliliters of white glue, and then we take our little stirry stick, that's fine, and we just pour it into our plastic bowl. Scrape as much out as we can. And it said to take 15 milliliters of water, but for the clear glue it's 25, and the clear glue slime turned out a lot runnier. So that to the pot, and we take our little spoon. Should I do blue or should I go green? Let's go with green. And then we get a little spoonful of green. I get so excited doing this. It just blew my mind. It's crazy. Right, so once you do this, you mix it together. I have no words. I'm literally speechless. Okay, do we want it that green or should we add a bit more? It does say you can add more depending on the colour that you want. So I think I might add some more. I have used up pretty much all of my green now. It's okay. We'll get some more from Amazon. God, I'm so broken now. Okay, that did absolutely nothing. It made it slightly greener. Making a mess. Right, let's clean that up. Right, now what we need to do is we need to take, let me wipe this out too. Get rid of the glue, some of the glue anyway, because, you know, gross. Right, slime activator. Now we need 5 milliliters of slime activator. Okay, here we go. Alright, you gotta stir it slowly whilst you pour it in. It's so cool. I just like can't believe it. That noise though is not nice. But it's so cool and so much fun. Like, why has it taken me this long to make slime? Like, oh my god. Okay, this is really wet. I should have not used that much water. Let me give it more of a stir. Okay, this is why you should follow the instructions and not go out on a whim. Although that has dried up a bit now, actually. Yeah. Wow. Let's scrape this. It doesn't even smell like slime, you know, like when you buy slime in the store, it doesn't smell like that chemical slime. It smells just like glue. I love and I hate plastic bowls. They just make so much noise. Oh no. But look, it's amazing. I'll link below the video to Megan Jones Adventures. It's just that my original reaction is hilarious because I just can't get over it. But it's just amazing. Look. I'm obsessed. I can't stop making it. I'm even gonna make my sister make some with me tonight. And I'll put it on TikTok, on my Maggie Moo's TikTok. Make sure that is clean before I put my stuff in it and make the next one. I'm just going to use the same pot, it's easier. Okay then. It's just like a shame because no one is in and I'm so excited and I can't show anyone my cool slime. And now I've got so much of it, I don't know what to do with it. Right then, next up is blue. Let's make some blue. Blue. Right then, so we're going to take our 15 milliliters of white glue yet again. I've used like a whole bottle of glue in one go. It's probably not what they meant it for, but it's what I'm doing. Okay then, let's scrape this out into here. They're my bunnies. I'll show you them if you want at the end. If you want, like, you have a choice. I'm going to show you my rabbits at the end. I'm gonna go for 15 milliliters of water this time. Put that in, and then we'll take the blue colouring. Maybe can I just like pour it in? Just makes more sense. This one is actually a lot darker than the other two, which I guess makes sense. Here's the darkest colour there. Right, so now I have mixed that. So we need to get, let's wipe this a bit again. Right, we need to get the slime activator. There's so much activator left. I can make slime for years. It's gonna be amazing. Right, where's 5? There is 5. Alright then, let's get going. Alright, if I just keep on mixing it until all the activators like absorbed, is what I think they say. Okay, let's see what this is like. Okay, it's still a bit soggy or wet, so I'm just going to keep stirring, although I think that's okay. I think it will dry up in a bit. Let's scrape some of this out. I just can't believe it. Look. I've got so much slime now. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. I don't even know anyone who has any children to be like, here, have some slime. All my nieces, well, my niece and nephew live up north, so I can't see them. For some reason the blue really stuck, like more than all of the others, and also now I've scraped green into the blue, so it's kind of a strange colour, but it's still really cool. Like, how can these go to this? Like, it just blows my mind. Me making it, or I can film her making it. Either way, we're gonna make it. It's stuck to me. Okay, well, thanks for watching me make slime. This was fun. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. For more content, please give us a subscribe. If you like this video and want to see me play with more slime, the link to Megan Jane's Adventures will be down below, and I will see you in another video. Bye! So I said I'm going to show you my bunnies. They're currently in the garden. Here they are. Hey darling. This one's Bluebell. And the one at the back there, that's Honey. And we've had them for about 10 years now. They're like nearly 11 years old, I think. And they're the most gorgeous bunnies ever. Hello. Don't lick me. Are you gonna clean each other? And they're so gorgeous. They're sisters, so they happily live together. But yeah, I'll leave it here and I'll see you in another video.